So now we're gonna start with the kom. There's a yellow one first. So yellow, and then pink, and also the orange. So yellow is kind of like yellow, orange, pink, and then orange. Right? And start from this one. So this one I can peel this one or papaya. So I can show you this papaya. Okay, I show you this way. So you can see that's how it's come. That is the first one. It's like when you peel, it still work okay for me. It's not like, you know. So it's come. Sometimes it's come with, they stick together. I don't like, not quite like it. Sometimes it come with separate. So depend. So like sometimes it could be, sometimes it works, sometimes it's just separate, sometimes they're not. So like this, that's the first one. For carrot as well. Carrot is okay. See, it come like this. That is the first one, right? And then for the second one, it will be this bit. So this one is a different version, but it still got the same shape. Like this. Okay. So now, see. So this one slightly better. So this bit come with the pink one. Okay, slightly better than the first one. That's what I really prefer. Okay, so this one the pink, and now it's my favorite. It's different kind of shape. So look at this. It's come with this bit here. So now what this one slightly can multiple function. It can, you know, you can cut this as well. Use that as a cutter. This one peeler and another peeler as well. So now let's see this one. So that's how it's come. So the slightly better. So now I can see. But the thing is okay. So this one, right? This one, when you use it, it helps to protect your hand. If you what do you call, like, it's not gonna cut your hand or your finger because it's come with the protection here. It's good. You know, sometimes you come, it's very close to your hand like this. If you do, it won't hurt you, especially here. But just be careful this bit. You might got hurt. Okay, so that's this good thing about it. And then I think this one you can use as a cutter as well. I think, I'm not sure. I've never used this side. And for this one, it's a similar with this one, with the orange. You know, it's cheaper than this one. This one is most of people in Thailand, they have different kind of thing, but the one I like is this one. This one got the protection as well. It's same. It's easy for you to use. See, this one as well. And then for the orange, it's kind of like you need to be careful because this one, if you don't get used to the first couple times you use, it will be, you might got hurt, got cut, because this one is sharp, right? And then you need to come like this. When it comes to at the end, it could cut your hand as well. So just be careful with this one. That's why it's you know, if it's almost end like this, I got slightly move. Let's say I'll show you this one. It's my favorite one, but I just need to be careful when I use. So this, okay. See, then I move a little bit. I go round, move that round a little bit, and then go round like this. Just need to be careful. But I like the kind of version of the peeler because it's got thinner. It's very good. I love it. This one is the number one mine, but it's cut me few times to be honest, you know, but I love it. I love it. I bought it from Thailand when I go back, so I bought it 2 of them. So now I'm gonna carry on. So I will show you again this one. See, this one it depends. See, even though this one is still, see, even come close to your skin, it won't hurt you at all. It won't hurt me at all. So it's good. See, it's good for the carrot as well, papaya as well. So that's what I do. So I use sometimes, but most of the time I use the orange one. This one I use all the times, and the second one will be this one and this one as well. But I'm not use that much. Most of the time I use the orange. Okay, so you can do a bit longer as well, but don't make it too long. Like this is good. So that is done, almost done. So then show you another one, this one as well. See, you can see the difference. You can buy from eBay or you can buy from me. I got some of them. I got some of them here. This one I got like 4 or 5 of them. So I can ship it for you guys if you like. So my friend get it for me. So I didn't use all of that. So if you fancy, just let me know or you inbox me. If you are in the UK, I can ship for you guys. Okay, this one. Now I got 3 of them. You can have a look. This one is my number 1, number 2, and number 3. Oops, I think number 2 is the pink one. This orange, this number 1, number 2, and number 3. That's all. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I will see you next time. And if you have any question, anything you want to know, or what else you want me to help you with, that anything you like, please give me the comment below. Then I will get back to you as soon as I can, and I will give you the answer. I can help you with it. Anything you like, guys, about cooking Thai food, sauce, dipping sauce, something like that. So thank you very much, guys, and see you next time.